This has been one of the most requested recipes you've been asking for a while, and today we are making a sweet umami cocktail sauce that is absolutely worth it. It's richer, fresher, and far more flavorful than the bottled versions you usually get. Full recipe is in the description below. Into a bowl, add 1/4 cup of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce to build that sweet and savory base. Then mix in 2 teaspoons of honey and 1/2 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to balance the sweetness with a touch of tang. Next, add 1 teaspoon of finely minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of finely minced onion for that fresh, punchy flavor. Now season with 1/8 teaspoon of ground black pepper to gently enhance everything, and finish with 1/2 teaspoon of red chili flakes if you like a little heat. Give everything a good mix until the sauce is smooth and well combined. If you've been looking for a sauce like this, don't forget to like the video and share it with someone who would enjoy it too. And for more easy, flavor-packed recipes, subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. And just like that, your sweet umami cocktail sauce is ready to enjoy. This makes about 1/2 cup, perfect for dipping, spreading, or adding a bold twist to your favorite dishes. Let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes so all those flavors can come together and deepen. Once you try this, it's hard to go back to anything store-bought. Give it a go and make it your own. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon with more recipes where it's all about flavors made simple.